All right, quiz 1.05, example 2. We're going to draw each, and we're going to use our little lines tools. So the first one is a straight angle. So a straight angle is just a straight line. And let's make that black and a little thicker so we can see it. There we go. No, a little bit thicker than that. There we go. So that's a straight angle. Just looks like a line. An obtuse angle is larger than 90 degrees. So let's put that together here. So first we're going to draw our bottom ray. And then we need to go another one that is larger than 90 degrees. So we want to come out from here and go bigger than 90 degrees. Turn that black. And that is an obtuse angle. Now a right angle makes a perfect 90-degree square corner. So I'm going to do my best for that. So our right angle here, and then another one. Come on now, there we go. And it's very recognizable when they put that little square in the corner, but you can recognize some angles around, like where the room makes an angle, the edge of your computer, probably a right angle. Anywhere you see squares, perfect squares, you see that right angle. Now an acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees. Hang on, it's being fussy with me. There we go. And so we're going to draw our first ray. A little crooked, that's okay. And now we're going to come off of that one. Smaller than 90 degrees, so smaller than what was above it. And that's our acute angle. So straight, obtuse, right, and acute.